Let's be ready.
All right, here we go. We have the ball first.
Ready.
Go to the
Be ready. Let's go.
If I were to hurt you right now, this would be really fast.
There you go.
Also, he was just in 7.
Let's go.
One ball,
Owen,
one
get
strike.
here. Right here, not over there. Let's go.
Grab him real fast, 15 here.
Don't
That's
overthrow.
a
Come on.
The ball's rolling out. 2 balls, 1 strike.
There's like 7 left.
Yeah.
Where's the head coach's kid? Where's the head coach's kid, do you know?
You know Luca?
Yeah.
Short.
I mean, second.
Wait, Luca cut his hair.
Where's Luca?
I'm second.
I like when he had long hair.
Right?
There you go.
Hey, boy.
He looks weird now with little hair.
Wait, no. That's not Luca.
Yeah, he shaved his head.
Jackson, be ready.
I know. He cut his hair. That's why. Get out of there!
Attaboy.
I just yelled, "Get out of there!"
Owen.
That's savage.
Boy.
That boy.
One. Perfect. Right there, buddy. Right there.
Wait, is that Logan?
Where?
Oh, we be ready.
That's the bad.
Jackson, get ready.
Huh?
The beefsteak.
No.
Hey, don't push.
Hey, you times good.
And it's very true. They can use a meta. By using a cat 6. Okay, like,
Follow through. Come on, 2-1. Hey, Jackson, come on. You're good.
Here we go. You got it. There you go.
Good job, buddy. You're hitting that corner. You're hitting that corner. Good job.
Hey, Jackson. Why not put that field from here? Right? Owen.
Guys, if you want to go in.
Boy, attaboy. Good hit. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Take a deep breath.
No, I don't go in again.
Be ready.
That's it.
Logan can get some fights, but
Cammy.
Nice hit, bro.
not this type of fight.
AJ.
No, he's not. He's not. They're faster pitchers.
Yeah, Jackson Lees is their hardest thrower. The third baseman, he's their hardest thrower.
No.
AJ's their second.
Go, that's you, AJ. That's you, AJ. Get it. Foul! Hey, Luke, you can throw your helmet off. Hey, you gotta just continue to
The third baseman is not fast. They don't have to play.
The third baseman goes way faster than AJ.
And the shortstop goes pretty fast. I was catching him at tries and he had.
Oh yeah, Owen. Yeah, he's pretty good.
AJ is like the second. No, AJ's the third.
No, AJ's the second fastest pitcher on their team.
He's the fastest. Third.
Yeah, the third baseman.
Attaboy. There
You
you
said he was the first.
Hands up!
Yeah, the first fastest player is the third baseman. I mean, like, pitching.
Pitching. And who's the fourth? Third.
Hold on to the clock. Hold on to the ball.
Owen.
Hold on to the
Then Max. Then the other Jackson.
Hey, let's go. What do we got?
How fast is the left fielder pitch? I'm kind of glad on our roster anyone can pitch.
Attaboy.
Everyone's
Not everyone's a pitcher though.
Yeah, everyone is. Everyone is.
No, Julian and Julian pitch.
No.
Just because you pitch in a game doesn't mean you're a pitcher.
It's official now.
Just because you pitch in a game doesn't mean you're a pitcher. That tickles.
Luca, ball on that side. You're covering two. Owen, ball on this side. You're going two.
You
We're
and
watching
Leon are not
the
pitchers.
lead. Oh yeah, we're watching the lead.
Good.
Get him.
Down. There you go, Luke.
Hi, frog catcher.
Catcher, get the ball. Oh, good catch, bud.
Cam, get ready for the backup.
Especially if
Out
you
the ball.
where you are. You're right on the edge.
One ball,
I
no
know.
strike.
I know. Last in that chair. Remember the
Let's go.
Up and over,
wait,
let's
you
go.
moved on that chair. And there was no other chair on the other side.
When was
Boy,
that?
that's a
Yeah,
great
the new
hit.
deal.
boy.
And you were
Great
Shiro
hit.
Sebi and
Hey, come
Pierce.
out of that box, okay? Luke,
Oh yeah.
come out of that box. Come out of that box. Out for 30. Okay? Don't give him a reach.
And I'm pretty sure you just called Lucia Lucio.
See ya.
No, you called her Lucio.
Make sure you guys all take your
Not there, you
Boy.
just.
A little high.
I don't know.
Good job, buddy. That's perfect. A little high. 2 balls, 1 strike.
Here we go, AJ. You good? Go.
I'm going to put it back.
Big.
Focus on the back. 3 balls, 1 strike. Deep breath. Let's go. 2 out.
Are you guys done with this right here?
Got a boy.
It's not way down, it's just.
Cam, get back there quick.
We're at full
Okay?
count.
We're not in daydream mode today. Every pitch you run. Here you go. There you go. What are you gonna do? Go eat. Let's go.
Are they winning? No, it's a tie game. Wait, Carter is a win.
Jax, Luke, Jackson, Jax, Jax, Cam.
Yeah, but if they win this game, he's gonna be up in the
Wait, what's the score? What's the score?
0-0.
0-0.
Why is Carter not here?
He's at his
He's
soccer.
at a freaking soccer game. If they win this game, then he'll be there. Okay. No, they're in the silver bracket.
So they're not that good.
Nah. No, but AU Titans are really, really good. They just lost to this. They lost to this team last time. Yeah, even though they're better than them. They're good.